Hello and welcome to our COVID-19 update, where we'll be speaking to the Minister of Health, the Honorable Dr. Frank Anthony. In today's COVID-19 update, the Health Minister announces the availability of booster vaccines for everyone over 18 years.
So as of today, we would be opening up booster doses for anyone 18 years and older. You would now be able to get a booster dose. So those previous requirements that we had where you have to be 50 years and older, we have now lowered that requirement to 18 years and older. So once you have received for a 2-dose primary regimen, your vaccines, and now you're 6 months after that 2-dose, you can come and get a booster dose.
Vaccines currently being administered in Guyana are the AstraZeneca, Sinopharm, Sputnik V, and J&J.
So total doses that we have administered so far is 738,995. This is both first and second dose along with boosters. Looking at the first dose adults, we have administered as of yesterday 403,537 doses. That's now 78.7% of our adult population. In terms of second dose, we are at 282,567. That's 55.1% of our adult population receiving the second dose vaccine. In terms of the 17 to 12 age group, first dose is 29,458. That's now 40.4% of that age cohort. And second dose is 20,659 or 28.3% of that age cohort. Booster doses are now at 2,774.
Dr. Anthony is reminding persons to continue exercising COVID-19 precautionary measures, such as hand washing, practicing social distancing, and mask wearing.
We have to be careful, however, as we go forward during the holiday season with how we interact with each other, because we still have a lot of active cases. 1,018 is still a lot of active cases. And these are persons who have been confirmed with a COVID-19 test. Now, there might be other persons who have the milder form of the infection that we have not captured in these numbers. And therefore, there are persons who are still out there. And if you don't abide by wearing your mask and keeping distancing and so forth, then you can become exposed unknowingly to someone who has COVID, and then you can get COVID. And because everybody would react differently when you get infected, there are some people who would get the milder form of the disease, but there are lots of other persons, because of their underlying conditions, who would then develop a more severe form of the disease and can get hospitalized. So as we enter the holiday season, it's important that we remind ourselves of how to behave appropriately in this COVID pandemic, and to make sure that we comply with such behavior. If we don't, these gains that we have made over the last couple of weeks, it can be quickly eroded, and we can see new cases coming up, new hospitalization, and new deaths.
This has been DPI's COVID-19 update. For more information, visit our website dpi.gov.gy or health.gov.gy and our social media platforms.